So Bob, tell me more about your Equalizer air hitch.
So for years, we've been looking at what's it going to take to give these campers a smooth ride, an air hitch. Well, you can't just throw it into one of our other hitches, and vertical motion isn't the deal. So we took a page out of our Gooseneck hitch, which works wonderful. We've got the best working Gooseneck hitch in the country by far. And what we concentrated on was the back and forth chucking. This hitch works in the same way. We just stole our idea from the Gooseneck, incorporated it into an air equalizer hitch. This hitch comes with our XR, so we've got height adjustment. Along with that package will come a combo mount. So tomorrow when you're not towing your camper and you decide to tow your boat, just take your air equalizer hitch off, install the ball, you got full height adjustment and a standard hitch. So the way this air equalizer hitch is going to work, it's got a soft zone. So it absorbs that energy back and forth, shuttles it into an airbag. We've made it as a universal fit. So, for example, there's two different bolt patterns available for equalizer hitches. This one happens to be a fast way. Plugs right in. This one happens to be an easy lift. Got a little bit different bolt pattern, but we've got two bolt patterns. Plugs right in. So we've got a universal fit. You still have your adjustment, just like you normally do for loading the bars. A lot of promise in this product. We've had it out on the road now for 3-4 months. People testing them. Everybody comes back very happy, satisfied. Takes the chucking out. We're looking forward to it. Thank you.